Okay, today I'm going to be giving you a brief training on the new technology of the AVER boards that's in some of the new automotive classrooms. So, remote, turns it on, or your power button here. These are pens to draw on it instead of your finger. They'll be attached to the whiteboard. So right now I'm already logged into the instructor machine to my right, and while this is loading up, normally those two would probably be going at the same time, log in, turn the TV on at the same time. Once it's up, we'll select the source. There's a couple ways to do that. The source button here on the home page, and the source for this is HDMI 1. Another option is on each of these AVERs, there's a quick guide here that's your source and HDMI 1. And home will take you back to that home menu, but you can also access your source from that short side guide. In addition, that side guide has the TV itself, not even related to the computer, has its own drawing mode. So, like a smartboard, instead of picking up a pen, this one you just select it. But it's completely independent of the TV. It'll stick with whatever source you're going on. And will work anywhere on any screen. So that's your alternative to the, you're probably familiar with smart tools on the left of your screen. Those will be coming off at some point, but right now they're going to be there, but essentially useless. So these other arrows will give you that quick drawing tool. On the bottom of your screen is going to be a pen and a keyboard. The keyboard is how you'll type if you're up here and let's say you want to pull up a YouTube video to show your class. Okay. Here you can do that on your touch screen. And one thing though, with this, obviously students can see this on-screen keyboard, so if you're logging into any sensitive information, use either the instructor keyboard or the keyboard and trackpad that is included with these rooms. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward in terms of it's how you get to YouTube, pull stuff up, and work with that. Other functionality I was requested to show you was PowerPoint. So PowerPoint with this has a little bit of difference. Like I showed you, this TV itself has its own drawing mode. Well, we'll take a tour. And I'll put this on slideshow mode. PowerPoint itself has its own drawing tool on the bottom left corner, and you also have a laser pointer. If you want to draw attention to something, you've got your finger obviously on this type of screen, but that's within PowerPoint. It's its own tools, and in here is another function which is black out the screen, and just be aware of that if you accidentally get the screen black and you're doing a PowerPoint. You might have just bumped it. That's about it for that. You're going to have your swipe left and right and zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Pretty normal functions. And we'll exit that PowerPoint. Go out here, and I'll bring up the one last point of the Sketchpad and Screen Sketch. If you want to save what you have been, let's say you're annotating a diagram, you can pull up that diagram, annotate it, show a cross section, whatever you want to do, and then save it. So this way, if you want to save any of the notes that you've put on something, or you like some part of a slide and you want to have that pop up on the next slide, you can use this to save what you've drawn. And yeah, the other one would be the sketch pad is just their open sketch pad, pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, a ruler if you want to mark exact lines. And so on. Yeah, that's going to be it. So please enjoy the new rooms and let us know if you have any questions.